Let's take a look at this example. We're supposed to solve this system of linear equations by using addition-subtraction method. Always keep in mind that we're supposed to eliminate one of the variables. So it's very important to look at the x coefficients in this case and y coefficients. X coefficients are 3 and 2. We prefer to have the same numerical value. So these two values are different. Let's take a look at y. We do not have any number next to y. So anytime you do not see any number, there is always invisible 1. So I have positive 1 and negative 1. These are my y coefficients. Now, anytime you have the same numerical value, don't look at the signs at this moment. We have 1 and 1, so this is very good condition, okay, very good situation. And if we have different signs, okay, we can perform addition. We can perform addition by adding the top equation to the bottom one. Now let's take a look what will happen. 3x plus 2x is equal 5x. Positive 1 minus 1 gives me 0. Okay, so at this moment I'm eliminating y. I'm not going to write 0, simply equal, and I have 4 plus 11 is equal 15. Now let's take a look what I have. I have very simple equation which I'm supposed to solve for x. In order to find x, I have to divide both sides of this equation by 5. 5 and 5 will cancel out. I have x is equal 15 divided by 5 is equal 3. I found my x coordinate. If I have x, I can find very easy y. You're supposed to take one of these two equations and solve that equation for y, replacing x by 3 in this case. So I'm going to use the first equation. Someone is going to ask why. I always choose the one which has the lowest values of coefficients. So because I'm seeing 11 over here, I prefer to deal with 4 because it's lower one. So copy this equation down. So 3x plus y is equal 4. Replace this x by 3 because we found that x is equal 3. So I have 3 times 3 plus y is equal 4. 3 times 3 is equal 9. 9 plus y is equal 4. Now I have to find value of y. That's why I have to move this 9 to the right side. I have y is equal 4 minus 9. Y is equal 4 minus 9 is equal negative 5. Okay, so I got x coordinate and y coordinate. Now let's check if we found the correct values for x coordinate and y coordinate. You're supposed to take, let's say, the first equation, and I have 3x plus y is equal 4, and replace x by 3 and y by negative 5. So I have 3 times 3 plus negative 5 supposed to equal 4. 3 times 3 is equal 9. Positive times negative gives me negative, and this has to equal 4. 9 minus 5 is equal 4. 4 is equal 4. Left side is equal to the right side. So we proved that the answer is correct. But it's always good to check the second equation, Okay, so let's check the second one. We have 2x minus y equals 11. I have 2 times 3 minus negative 5 equals 11. 2 times 3 is equal 6. 6 plus 5, because negative times negative is positive, plus 5 is equal 11. 6 plus 5 is equal 11. 11 is equal 11. Left side is equal to the right side. So this is the proof that my x coordinate is equal 3 and my y coordinate is equal negative 5. So the ordered pair 3, negative 5 is the correct solution to my problem.